What's going on, guys? It's Ceiling Fans back with another video. What you're looking at here is a 52-inch Evergo ceiling fan. I got it from a thrift store. I'm gonna start it on low. Now, on my other two Evergos, I found a date on the capacitor, but this one doesn't have a date. The other two said 1984. This one's probably close to that. Now, these blades and brackets did not come from this fan. It came from my Evergo Hunter original copy. The first fan I got this year, and it was free. These are the blades it came with. I have the other two somewhere. But yeah, it has a little bit of hum. But yeah, one of the brackets was severely bent upward. It was gonna wobble like heck, and just two of the blades still wobbled like hell. Yeah, this is a low speed, and it's like a Gulf Coast low speed where it's fast. All the speeds on this are fast, basically. It's actually slightly slower on camera. This was in place of a light, but it was on a proper box, so I was able to do it. So I have to rely on the shop light. Medium speed. Yeah, this is like a high speed on a good fan usually. Well, yeah. And the medium speed on my Hunter original is a high speed on a crappy fan, so yeah, like I said, all the speeds are fast. And high speed, the chain's doing a little dance. I mean, it's only a little bit faster than medium speed, but it's enough for you to tell. I'd actually say it's close to my fair one in terms of speed. It's probably just under what that is at. Because I believe my fair one spins at about 300 RPMs on high. This is pretty damn close to that. Yeah, it does have some dirt noise. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier or not. Off speed, spin down. I like the shadow that the shop light gives off on the fan. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And bye.